Hello, this is Gem Hawkes. Today I want to talk to you about the Magical Mystery Bead Box by Jessie James Beads. Now, rather than doing a conventional unboxing, I'm sure you've all seen November's box by now, which is Snowflakes and Stardust, November 2024 Magical Mystery Bead Box. What I wanted to show you today is all of the jewellery that I've made from this box, plus all of the materials I still have left to use. Let's head down to the board and we'll take a closer look. The Magical Mystery Bead Box for November 2024 was Snowflakes and Stardust, and it's a beautiful, beautiful box. They're all beautiful in their own way, but this one really resonated with me. So I've gone to town and I've made so many pieces. Now, a lot of these tutorials can be found over on the Jessie James Beads blog website, either on the Facebook page or on their YouTube channel. So do head over and check them out if you'd like to learn to make them. There's an absolute galaxy of stars. These will be going out as gifts and onto people's trees, I hope, this festive season. So there's a really beautiful little star with some beads from the box. We've also got one which I added some extra sparkle. So these came from my earring project and I just added them onto the same base star, using the same technique as those beautiful earrings. Now, straight from the box, you were able to make this pendant, which is a lovely glittery snowflake, and that's a double looped connector, so you could even add more if you wanted to. The chain was part of the box. I made this really quirky macrame, or macrame if you prefer, bookmark, just by adding in some lovely thread that I had available to me. So that's really safe on the pages of your precious books. I made a whole series of handbag charms, zipper pulls, or key rings if you prefer. This is available over on the Jessie James Beads blog as well, and that's a technique which means that they are very, very secure. It's not just a single head pin where the end might pop off, it's a nice secure pull. I also made 3 fully beaded bangles. This one has got an extender on it, so lots and lots of beautiful beads on here. Gorgeous interest in terms of colour and texture, metallics and more. So this one you can take from being a small size up to a much larger size if you want to lend that to somebody. There's another one in the same kind of technique with lots of beautiful textures on those beads. And then here is another bar bracelet, or bar bangle if you prefer, with the other one of those gorgeous sparkly snowflakes. Then I had lots and lots of fun with the stargazer earrings. Now, this project is available over at Jessie James Beads if you want to find out how to make it. Very, very sparkly. But what I wanted to share with you, especially today, was how many beads I have left over from this box. So the Arctic Circle bead mix is almost 80% full still. So there's loads of beads there still to use. I haven't even started on the North Star pendant or charm. It's a really beautiful colour on there. Love that. We have got the Constellations collection of multi-tonal snowflakes, or I suppose you could call them daisy spacers, but you've got 2 tones there, gold and silver, which is lovely. I've got lots and lots of sparkly little blue and shimmery beads left available to use as well. In addition to that, there are these gorgeous pad-shaped snowflake obsidians. Not to mention Winter in the Woods, still plenty of those mixed materials to use. So I've got wood, I've got ceramic, I have got glass, metallics, all sorts of fun left to use. So that is all made from Snowflakes and Stardust from November 2024 by Jessie James Beads. I just wanted to give you an idea of the amount of jewellery that you can make from one subscription box.